What looks like an ancient ruin is actually Mexico's wildest home. Hidden in Litibu's jungle hills with a secret beach most people don't know exists. This is Residencia Uxmal, but it's not one house. It's four. Inspired by ancient Mayan pyramids, four interconnected casitas on the hillside, each structure connected by lit walkways, completely private in the jungle. Inside, sweeping ocean views, outdoor dining, raw materials like local stone. But the real magic happens above. Rooftop pools and lounges with endless ocean views. Pools across the site, all connected by these beautiful stone pathways. And here's the secret. A tunnel carved through the hill leading to that hidden beach and connecting all the luxury spaces. Carved stone, flowing water, and natural textures. A space crafted with intention and harmony. Residencia Uxmal. Not just a house, but a modern pyramid hidden in paradise.